Hey guys, Joel at Kooy Brothers here. In this video, we're featuring the Venieri 163 articulating wheel loader. It comes equipped with a telescoping boom. This compact articulating wheel loader is designed for heavy-duty commercial jobs. When you want safety, reliability, and versatility, this Venieri loader is a great option. One of the key features of this loader is the customizable cab options. There's 3 configurations available. You can get it with a factory cab with heat and air conditioning, you can get it with a canopy on top, or you can get it with a foldable roll bar if you want lower profile clearances. Even though this is the smallest Venieri in the lineup, the cabin inside is very spacious. You've got 360-degree views of your machine and your surroundings, keeping your work environment safe and your machine productive. This machine is powered by a 50 horsepower diesel Yanmar engine. It's got a hydrostatic transmission with 2 forward and 2 reverse speeds, all powered by a single lever. It's got a 40 km/h drive speed, which is great for driving from site to site. And it's got a rear oscillating axle, making for a nice smooth performance. What sets this Venieri 163 loader apart is the telescoping boom. It has a tip capacity of about 5,000 pounds and extends the reach up to about 12.5 feet. So just to summarize, you've got a customizable cab, articulating chassis, and a telescoping boom. It's got power, it's compact, and it's a productive machine to get the job done.